Hello, my name is Raul Ismael Soto, and this is the final project demonstration for deployment of Linux servers for PromisedLand, new data center in Independence, Missouri. This system is a AWS hosted Ubuntu server configured as the central file server. The setup adheres to all the 10 security, scalability, and user management requirements detailed in the proposal. I will now proceed to quickly demonstrate the 10 required technical configuration in the terminal and the browser. Okay, here are in the AWS console, which is the AC2 instance status. So we can see I create a new key and the new instance for this project. So if we are going to the key, we have two keys. This is one, the one we are working now, and the instance have the PromisedLand name. So here is running, and the status is check. The IP public, it's here, and we can copy, but we have here, so it's working. I'm going to refresh for now for us. So this is the instance and the IP, and here we have the console that we are going to check all the configurations, and especially the explanations. So the server is publicly accessible. The custom page load confirming network access and initial deployment. And so in the console, we're going to put some commands to show and explain the access and the configurations. First, I'm going to put the this one, like I really like to put who I am, so try to explain it the command in the terminal. So who I so here is Ubuntu, and now we are put the sudo, like show the status and the permissions for the firewall. Okay, the UFW firewall is active on the operating system, and it's configured to only allow essential traffic, 22.TCP SSH for administration, and 80 TCP HTTP for the web server, like here. So this part it's perfect, I think. And here in additional system configuration, so we install repositories and package. So I'm going to put the sudo apt update. So we confirm that the repositories have been updated, ensure the service meets security policies for the forward and patches. And the package installations, we are going to check which mode, and yep, we have here the which mode. The requirement command line package mode is installed and verified correctly on the system, and the storage allocation and mounting was a little tricky because the server was virtual, like here is the logical volume is showing the configured using LVM. This meets the requirement that the storage can be easily expanded in the future. So I'm going to put sudo ubs, and he is showing the configured using the LVM, and for mounting the command 2, we had cat etc fs tab. Okay, label boot. Okay, this entry is guarantee the permission mounting of the LVM volume to M and T data shared after every reboot, and that is connected with the next step, the file server role Apache status. So in sudo systemctl status Apache 2. Oh, I write bad the system, so I'm going to sudo systemctl ctl status Apache 2. Yeah, this is raining, so the Apache 2 service is an active raining state, and demonstrating the file server is role. The file server role is configured and enabled. So this part it's configured in the right way. So in the message of the day, the static message of the day is configured, and we can check by cat etc mod yeah, welcome to PromisedLand server. And yeah, so the users can see this message every time they connected, and is providing a security notification to all user connecting via SSH. And for the schedule reboot, we can check by sudo cron tab The cron job is scheduled, and the command check the year and executive reboot only during even years, fulfilling the required biannual reboot schedule. So This is the part that they configure it every 2 years. That's okay. And um, I think the two last points, the file permission for group files. Um, we have a structure, so we are going to check with ls dash nope ld mt mnt data share data shared. Yeah, that's okay. The shared directory has set git enable by drwxrws. This ensures that the new files automatically inherit the operations group restrict access. So the ID um, the ID C. Schumacher, the CIO, has the permission to enter. So C as no as Humacher. Yep. Uh, Here we can see he is in the group operations, and he has the access, CIO access, and we confirm the user structure for user Schumacher. The CIO is a member of the specialized CIO access group, which is the essential for the next security step. And the final security measures, we use the ACLS, um, and we are going to write the command jet FACL MT data shared and the access control list, ACL, is the crucial security measures the line group CO access by the R-X explicitly grants to the CIO read-only access, preventing any modification to short files. So this concludes the technical demonstration. We have successfully validated and configurations, network security, firewall, the ACL permissions, and schedule task. So the server is ready for production. So thank you so much. Thank you for your time and for your considerations.